time of my life. No, I never felt like this before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
'Cause I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
I've been waiting for so long. Now I finally found someone to stand by me.
We saw the writing on the wall as we felt this magical fantasy.
Now with passion in our eyes, there's no way we could disguise it secretly. So we take each other's hand, 'cause we seem to understand the urgency. Just remember,
You're the one thing
I can't get enough of.
So I tell you something.
This could be love, because I've had the time of my life.
No, I never felt this way before.
Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. Hey, baby,
With my body and soul, I want you more than you'll ever know.
so just let it go. Don't be afraid to lose control. No.
Yes, I know it's on your mind. You say, stay with me tonight.
Just remember, you're the one thing
I can't get enough of.
So I'll tell you something. This could be love, because I've had the time of my life. Never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. 'Cause I've had the time of my life. Searched through every open door till I found the truth, and I owe it all to you. I had time of my life. Oh, I never felt this way before.
Never felt this
I
way.
swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. I had the time of my life. Never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth. Owe it all to you. 'Cause I had the time of my life.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12, sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang lagi kulang ang gatong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon?
Sa unang ligaw kayo'y magkasama, magkasabwat sa pambobola. Walang sikreto kayong tinatago, o kay sarap ng samahang barkada. Nagkawatakan na sa koleyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran. Kahit minsanan na lang kung magkita, pagkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron ding naiwan. Meron pang ang mga ilang nawala na lang, nakakamiss ang dating samahan.
Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon?
Bawat isa sa amin tatay na nagsusumikap upang yumaman at guminhawang kinabukasan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I request everybody to sit down and settle down, okay? So once again, good evening, everyone. Well, they said, high school life, oh high school life. Every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days. How exciting talaga. Indeed, Sharon Cuneta was very right when she sang this song, correct? During our high school days, we learned to love and we learned to treasure our friends. And today, we will be reuniting with our alma mater. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Francisco Villarban Foundation College First Alumni Homecoming. And to start our short program, let's all stand to receive our Lord's blessing, to be led by Miss Helen Asisten from batch 1979.
Ang maraming Diyos na salamat sa kalimutan ko. Magpapasalamat kami dahil sa pagkakataon ko at hindi kami ang pagkakataon. Kita kami magkakaklase na nag-aaral sa Villarban Foundation College. Pinasasalamatan namin na hanggang sa ngayon kami ay masasaya at maligaya na bubuhay. Sana Diyos na iyong inaama. Patawarin mo kami sa anong aming pagkakasala, ano man ang ating mga nagawa. Sana ituloy upang kami mabuhay ng matuloy. Ama, patubayan po kami sa aming gagawin pagtitipon-tipon sa ngayon upang kami maging masaya na hanggang sa matapos ay nasa mga mabuti kami mga kalagayan. Ang lahat ng mga bagay na sa atin namin ay pinarating namin sa inyong kataasan at tuban sa pamahalaan ng aming hari na si Kristo Jesus. Amen.
You may now all sit down. Thank you. Alright, so kamusta naman po ang pakiramdam sa pagbabalik sa inyong eskwelahan? After so many years, naalala ko ba masyado para hindi mahuli ng teachers. At saan nagsusulat ng mga lihim na pagmamahalan. Okay, so to welcome us to our school again, once again, may we call on a pride of this school, now an accountant of the Department of Education from the class of 1978, Miss Luna Catalan.
Recording ko. To our beloved teachers, Mrs. Dinita, Mrs. Dimano, to our batchmate from class 1978, 1979, and 1980, a pleasant good evening. 1966 pa daw. We are indeed privileged to be part of this year's high school homecoming, batches 78, 79, and 80. On the part of batch 78, this is our first attendance in this kind of activity after 33 years. Although there are only about 6 of us here, we are overjoyed and happy to meet our long-lost classmates, schoolmates, and of course our dearest teachers. Our stay in this school, for me, it was 10 years of basic education, from elementary up to high school. The school has prepared us to be tough and competitive with the outside world. This school may not seem comparable with other popular schools located within the vicinity of Pao and Sigaran areas. But we are the living examples that such a simple and low-profile school did produce graduates who were successful in their chosen career or profession. We are the living testaments that there is nothing impossible if we all strive and work hard for the best, and that everything is possible through patience, faith, and perseverance. We are, or we should be, forever grateful to our teachers, who spend their productive years teaching, inculcating, and imparting their knowledge and experiences in order to make every student become good and productive citizens of our nation. It is through their relentless efforts that we were able to be what we are right now and where we are right now. Salamat po sa ating mga natulong. To all of us here, let us continue moving on, working for the fulfillment of our dreams and goals we have set for our land. And since I am currently connected with one of the biggest government agencies in the government, I am calling for your full support to the programs and projects of the government, and be part of today's workforce trying to build a brighter future for our children and for the next generation and beyond. Finally, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the organizers of the activity headed by the Tanyara Bogol. And of course, sa mga mahal namin guro, hindi. For the past 33 years, I haven't set foot sa FDFC. Now, in one of my chat sa aking kaibigan, sabi ko, maybe the main reason we haven't really looked back to our friends is that we are busy during those times building our future. We are busy na gampanan yung aming trabaho. But there will always be a time na hahanapin mo pala, maghahanap ka ng mga taong maging malapit sa'yo sa loob ng 10 taon. So, sa mga kabatchmate ko, sa lahat po ng graduates ng Francisco Villarman Foundation College, welcome po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
After 33 years, tatlong dekada. And for Sir Silverio and Ma'am, it is 45 years. Grabe. So how does it feel, diba? And you know, just like a normal class, syempre, lagi may attendance yan eh. Sabi nga, 33 years, 45 years, so kailangan
Ayan, nakakabahan na ako. Good evening. Attendance checking muna tayo. For class of, excuse me, as I call your name, please stand up so others can see you all. From class of 1966, Mr. Silverio Comahi Jr. Please stand up. Thank you for being here. From class of 1966 also, Mrs. Josefina Escalona. Thank you. From class of 1978, first on my list, Mrs. Senia Bautista. Thank you. Next, Mrs. Lolita Colaba. Please excuse me. I'm sorry. Okay. Next, Mrs. Angelisa Martinez. Next, of course, Mrs. Bruna Catalan. Next, Mrs. Rosana Bautista Monteposo. And the last, the thorn amongst the roses, Mr. Winnie Bautista. Thank you, class of 1978. Now, let's go to class of 1979. Unahin ko na yung asawa ko. Nakamahal yung asawa. SBO Ferdinand Trinada from Pasay City Police Station.
Love yun!
Next, Daniel Oberas. Tony Go. Godofred Ting. Elisante Herring. Joselito Trinidad. Kayo gumawa ng aking carpooling sa labas. Next, John Labro. For the girls, Miss Helen Assistant, Miss Ruby Gonzalez, Mrs. Elizabeth Cabanilla, Mrs. Rhea Benal, Miss Amalia Ortega Yao, Maria Elena Borrero, Mrs. Rowena Reyes, and of course yours truly, Stella Cañada. Pero please na lang, 4 p.m. section. Mrs. Jonalyn Villarreal Aquino, Miss Sis Rowena Lampano, and Roger Jacinto. Okay, thank you, batch 1979. From batch 1980, nag-iisa lang siya, si Mrs. Debbie Rabi. I'm still expecting Mr. Jude Custodio. Andiyan na? Okay. Kahapon, from batch 1979, Mr. Romeo Romualdo. Yung 98 kasi, dalawa sa akin sila si Mr. Jude Custodio. Pasok. Okay, sa batch 1980, dalawa sana sila. Kaso, yung isa barangay chairman dito, so busy siya. Meron silang bingo dyan sa may pako. Barangay chairman siya ngayon. Kaya kahabol na lang daw siya. Okay, almost complete ang attendance. Medyo dalawa lang yata kulang. Thank you all. I hope that everyone will be happy tonight. Truly, one night is not enough compared to the almost 35 years or 40 years that we have been apart together. That's why we only prepared a very short program so that everyone can mingle and have chika with friends that we have been apart for so many years. So I hope that you enjoy the night, have fun. Thank you.
Ulit, kasi no late, no?
Facebook ang mami ko. So, salamat sa Facebook at hinanap na kayong lahat. Dahil yun sa paghahanap niya, dahil natuto siya, maghapon siya nag-Facebook sa bahay, hanap siya ng hanap ng mga kabatchmates niya. And unti-unti, dumating na kompleto. And we are lucky enough to have everybody here. So just like what my mom said, we prepared a very short program. Maiksi lang po yung prepare namin na program for everybody so that we can enjoy the night as we talk and drink together. Okay? Or now, my name honor, Mr. Danilo Ortega from Batch 1979 PM section. Yes, si Ninong Dani, din talaga pasaway. Magkano mag-reunite, hindi lang para magkwentuhan at magkasalan ulit kayo at magdaitan kung sino mga matanda. But the highlight of this event is to give gratitude to those people who taught our minds, touch our hearts, and transform our lives, our teachers. So, may I request Mrs. Narcisa Balansag and Mrs. Mirna Di Maano to please come to us. May call on Ms. Jonalyn Villaruel Aquino, class of 1977, 79, to give our message of appreciation.
Hello, good evening to all. I will just make this short. Since we graduated Christmas, in our case, March 79, 66, and the 78, we went to, we have our own, and we succeeded in our own lives. But tonight, we have one thing in common, and that is to give gratitude and sincere, heartfelt thanks to our beloved teachers who in one way or another have touched our lives and molded us into becoming what we are today. And for that, let's all give our teachers a warm round of applause. Woo! Thank you.
Video. Waki daw, waki, waki. Sa video, magulo.
These are also said as special to you. We truly appreciate whatever you have taught us. Thank you for being our teachers.
Okay, ma'am, ready. Okay lang po.
guys like the dream tonight. You're playing games, love, you're looking up to the drum. Yeah, baby. We sing it loud, get my friends. We gonna knock the down the lights. And I'll let it stop the beat now. You walk like, you talk like, and you don't answer. Keep bang. Oh, baby, she moves. I go crazy, cause you look like you're about to see. And I love telling the story. Keep bang, woo! She moves, woo! Keep bang. Come on, baby. Talk to me. Don't know how to talk, and I don't talk to you.
Mula itinatanong sa akin kung hanggang saan hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal, hanggang may hilig pa akong narinig dito sa baby, hanggang may musika akong tinatagyan, ika'y inibig. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking bibisahin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang diwa ko tanging sa'yo lang, mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko, hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig, hanggang may musika kung tinataglan, kita'y ibig. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking bibisahin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal, na ang sinisigaw ay lagi ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan tama, hanggang ang buhay ko kunin ng may kapal. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking iisangin. Di ko magagawang lumayo at ang pag-ibig ang sinisigaw, hanggang.
Magalit ka na! Nasaan mo ang mga ulat? Balikan mo ang iyong alaala, mga araw na lumipas sa iyong buhay. Malalaman
paano liligaya sa buhay pagdating ng panahon. Pagdating ng panahon, alam mo ba yung kahapon? Hinahanap mo ang ganda, mga pangarap gusto mo mabot. Ako paano liligaya sa buhay pagdating ng panahon. Masan mo ang mga ulap, balikan mo ang iyong alaala, mga araw na lumipas sa iyong buhay. Malalaman mo kung paano liligaya sa buhay pagdating ng panahon. Naalala mo ba ang iyong kahapon? Hinahanap mo ang landas, mga pangarap gusto mong mabot, ngunit ikaw ay natatakot. Malalaman mo kung paano liligaya sa buhay. Yes! Yes! Yang para mo.
Let me fly with this land over fields, trees of mountains, flowers and forest fountains, over all the waves of the skyway, for the stars of love, projected shadow guides and gloom, and my eyes in the mirror.
Happy